Hey everybody, so we're gonna do an old style Riah video. This is a 30 color tie-dye kit that I got from Temu, and I just wanted to show the unboxing and how to use it and see how we do. We're gonna do 3 shirts with this kit, but it says here you can do 40 projects. So we'll see. We're gonna open it up. So we have color stickers. We got all the colors on here. We have a little bit of an just instruction booklet that tells you anything you want to do. So there's a swirl, a bullseye, ombre, crumple, and how to do all of them. All right, so we have gloves, rubber bands, dye packets with all the colors on them. So like this one is olive, and then we have a protective, oh, these are bags for your projects. That's pretty neat. And then tons of bottles, and there's a spray tip in here. There is little spoons in here. That's pretty helpful. And then all of these, which these are the twist caps, so they have little tops on them. Keep your dyes good for a little bit longer. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to pick some colors that I want to do, fill them up and get them shaken, and then we'll be starting on our shirts. Alright you guys, so before I get started on the shirts, I just wanted to show you all the colors that it came with. So these packets I'm going to use all of the color in the packets. Some kits, it depends on the intensity that you want. So like say you want to do pink, if you want like a really light pink, you'd probably only use half, but I am going to be trying the dyes the way that they come. So I'm going to put the whole packet in the bottle to mix them. That way I get the brightest color possible. And I do recommend that for pretty much any dye. Try to use, if you get a tie-dye kit like this, I would use the whole packet to get the brightest or the darkest color you can get. But these are all the categories: reds, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then like brown, gray, and black. So that's everything that comes in for color-wise. Alright, plain old scrunch. Now I'm going to get my wire racks, and I've already made up the dyes, so I'm going to bring those in here and line them up so I can see them all, and we will get to dyeing. Alright you guys, so we are going to get started on the heart, and I was thinking rainbow vibes on this one, and like I said, I made every color except for 5 of them because the other 5 are kind of like brownish, gray type colors, and I'm not loving that, so I did put the black in the spray bottle so I could try that out too. Probably won't do that unless I do it on the scrunch or the spiral. So let's get started. We are gonna use, let's see, I have do magenta on the heart. So these bottles they haven't dripped yet, so that's a super good thing. So I'm going to be careful. Put the dye where I want it. So they are 1 ounce bottles, but they give you a ton of different colors, so it is not bad. So we're going to move on to the spiral next. Alright, we're back with our spiral. So I've been doing lots of rainbows, and that's what I normally want to do. I think for this one I'm going to do like a gradient of colors. So I'm going to start with, let's start with green, and we'll do each green and each blue and make smaller lines in it. And this side's not going to match at all. So we're going to go ahead and put different colors over top. So I don't like making brown, like I said, so we're going to do colors that you can put on top of each other. This circle area is green, so I'm not going to be able to put like purple or orange in there. But I can put pinks and purples on top of the blue. I can put yellows or blues on top of the green, and I can put oranges, reds on top. I could probably even put blue on there too, but we don't want too much blue because we already put a ton of blue on that. So I'm going to do pinks and purples over top of the blue area. So we're going to start one of these bags that they supplied, because this will fit in there, not with the rack, but that's okay. These only have to sit for 6 to 8 hours for best results. So we're just gonna close this up and set it aside. All right, you guys, we're back with the scrunch. This is our last project. I am going to just go nuts on this one, and I'm going to use the black spray on this. So I'm gonna go through and use every single color in a straight line. Right here I can see the label of the shirt, so I'm just gonna do it in a diagonal fashion. So I'm gonna start with pink down the middle. Pink down the middle. And I'm out of purple, so there won't be any purple on this shirt, but that's okay because you can mix pink and blue and get purple. Sometimes I push the dye down in there if it works. Yep, that's gone. And the dark orange. All right, we did it. We made it. Black. Keeping the spray bottle too. I'm putting a lot of spray on here just so it doesn't look like when you open it that there's spray marks on your shirt, and that way it's covered really well. I still have over half of a bottle of black with that, so we'll cover some more of these spots. And that, yep, still over half. So this one's gonna go in the bag. Make sure you go check out Temu. If you haven't downloaded it already, download the app. You get a coupon bundle just for downloading, and then search in the search bar the code that's been displaying on the screen this entire video to get another coupon bundle. Everybody pretty much already loves Temu anyway, but why not get a deal? So we will be back in 6 to 8 hours to rinse these and reveal them on camera. I'm going to take care of my mess and clean up, and we will be right back. And I'm so glad that you're here. These shirts have been sitting for 24 hours, and unfortunately I lost all of my audio, so you won't get my genuine reaction, but that's okay. First is the rainbow heart shirt, which looks super bright, and it isn't very often you see that with a kit. The big test is going to be after it's washed, and after this is the washed and dried pictures. The next one is, I'm calling it the peekaboo spiral, and my favorite part of this whole spiral is the pink fading into the orange. And last but certainly not least is the blacked out scrunch, which turns out to be very abstract, and I love that. So for a kit, this is definitely a win. The price is great. The dyes happen to be super great. I do wish they came in bigger bottles or more powder in the packets, but overall this is a super good deal. Now make sure you download the Temu app to get a $100 coupon bundle, or search my code in the bottom right corner in the Temu search bar to claim.